This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by heather.bass. Come enjoy the gorgeous water views of the Indian River in this charming brick bungalow nestled on a dead-end street. This home has only had 2 owners and in good condition, with roof replaced 2014, HVAC and water heater replaced roughly 4 years ago. This 3-bedroom 1.5-bath home also has a separate shower and laundry area. Square foot per tax records and includes finished basement. Seller will make no repairs to property. For more information, review the details below or contact heather.bass at 757-488-4600.